Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have this half cut crease, very similar to my other half cut crease makeup look, I know, but today I use different eyeshadows to achieve this makeup look, so I would say it's a little bit different, not identical. And yeah, if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then keep on watching.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. You.
I don't know if you can see on camera, but here it looks a little bit patchy also on my left eye, and I think is the shade is a little bit shady. It's okay, it doesn't bothers me that much because it's slightly patchy, like it's not something crazy, like I can barely see it, but I don't know if you can see it on camera. Like right here and right here is a little bit patchy, but yeah, what can I do? What can I do?
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. So alive.
Alright guys, so this is the final result. I do really love how this turned out. Like obviously I made it, so what else should I say, right? Now I'm very honest, like when I don't like the makeup that I do, I say it. So I really like it. Like it turned out pretty cute, I would say. I know it's very similar to my other makeup looks, like very similar, using the same shadows, the same tones, but today I used different eyeshadows to achieve this makeup look, so I think it's a little bit different. Not exactly identical to my other look. I think I did a halo eye makeup look very similar to this one. I already said this, but the shade from the Shayla and ColourPop palette is a little bit shady today. I mean, it's a little bit patchy. I don't know why. I did use this eyeshadow before and I didn't have any issues, but today it went a little bit patchy, so I said that in the video. And I don't know if you can see that on camera, but to me right here it looks a little bit patchy. And yeah, that's that. I really hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Take care and I will see you in my next one. What in the... I mentioned my stash is sweating, so